I bought this Can-Am dirt bike. This is a 175cc off an MX-5, 1979. And it won't seem to shift into gear. So I took this side cover off, and they had these washers in between the case half and the side cover. So of course there's going to be a big gap and it's going to leak oil. So they have like a huge thick amount of silicone on here to make up for that. Of course they don't even know there's supposed to be a rubber seal here that's missing. And of course with all the silicone they put on there, that port is totally plugged with silicone. And I don't even know why they had the washers in there. Apparently something was holding the case from going on all the way. And that was their fix. And I take the rotary cover off, and there's no rotary disc in there. And that's pretty boogered up. Tell somebody was trying to fix that, if you call that a fix. So I don't know, I guess I just wanted to show this to show how stupid people can be. Like, the side cover doesn't go on all the way, so you put washers in between. What the hell are people thinking? The intelligence of the human race is going to shit, I tell you. Anyway, that's all for now. I'm gonna probably make videos on this, rebuilding this Can-Am. I have it all torn down to the bare frame. So, of course, somebody had to go and paint the orange frame black. And a shitty paint job at that. But, yeah, I'll probably have more videos of it. That's all.